Good morning, Belly and Elchala. Thank you for meeting with us.
Good afternoon, Isham, Aidil. We are pleased to have you here. Let me introduce Elchala, our technical expert on the new engine design.
Hello Isham, Aidil. It's great to meet you both.
Likewise, we are very interested in learning more about your engine's efficient improvement.
We are in the early stage of designing a new fleet, and we need an engine that enhances efficiency and reduce costs. We'd like to understand how your engine compares to other on the market.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to go over its features. Could you share a bit more about the fleet requirements?
Sure, we are primarily focused on reducing fuel consumption while maintaining high performance. How does this engine perform in terms of fuel efficiency, especially under heavy load?
Our engine is designed to improve fuel efficiency by up to 20% compared to standard models. Even under high loads, it uses an optimized combustion process and advanced fuel injection to achieve this.
Impressive. And what about the emissions? We are aiming to meet strict environmental standards across all regions where we operate.
Our engine complies with Euro 7 and EPA Tier 4 standards, significantly reducing nitrogen oxide and particulate emissions. This makes it highly versatile for different regulatory regions.
Could you explain the impact of this emission standard on the overall performance?
Certainly, we use selective catalytic reduction and advanced particulate filter, which maintain power output without sacrificing emission control. This ensures consistent performance under regulatory limits.
Can you clarify the maintenance requirement? We are looking to minimize downtime and reduce overall operating costs.
Absolutely. The engine has an extended maintenance cycle, needing inspection only after 50-100 operational hours. It also features modular parts to speed up repair times, meaning less time off the road if maintenance is required.
That's promising. How does it handle thermal efficiency during continuous high output usage? Overheating has been concerned with similar engines.
We anticipated that the engine includes an advanced cooling system with dual-layer radiators which maintain optimal temperatures even during prolonged operation. This design minimizes risk of overheating and extends engine life.
And what about its durability under varying conditions? Our fleet operates in both very cool and very hot climate.
Good question. The engine has been tested in extreme environment, from Arctic to desert conditions. We use a high-grade, heat-resistant materials and a resilient sealing system, which adapts to temperature fluctuations and prevents mechanical stress.
This is valuable information. Thank you for explaining it thoroughly.
Just to confirm, your engine improves fuel efficiency, meets emission standard, has reduced maintenance needs, and perform reliable across extreme conditions. Is that correct?
Exactly. We are confident it will align well with your fleet's efficiency and performance goals. We can also offer on-site testing to verify performance under your operating conditions.
Additionally, we can provide data sheets, test results, and case study from other fleets that use this model. If you like, we can arrange for a virtual demonstration as well.
That would be helpful. We would definitely appreciate both the testing opportunity and access to the performance data.
Could you tell us more about its integration capabilities with existing systems? We'd like to streamline data collection on engine performance.
Of course, this engine includes an onboard diagnostic system with IoT integration. It can connect to your fleet management system, providing real-time data on fuel consumption, engine health, and efficiency metrics.
We can work with your IT team to customize the data output to match your existing system, making it easier to track and analyze performance data across your entire fleet.
Excellent. And what about warranty option? For a significant investment like this, we'd like to understand what covered.
We offer a comprehensive 3-year warranty that covers all major components. For an additional cost, we can extend it to 5 years and include part replacement for certain wear items.
Thank you both, Belly and Elcele, for your time and the detailed information. This discussion has been very insightful.
You're welcome. We're here to assist with any further questions.
We'll review all this data with our team and reach out soon to arrange for testing.
Great. I'll send over technical documentation, pricing and case studies by tomorrow.
Thank you. Again, we'll be in touch soon.
It's been a pleasure. Have a great day.
Thank you. We look forward to working with you.
Goodbye. Feel free to reach out anytime.
Thank you.